Hey Striverz Money crew! Are you ready to dive into the world of AI and discover a groundbreaking method to make money online? Today, we're talking about prompt engineering with ChatGPT-4 and how it can turn you into an online income generating powerhouse. So grab a snack, sit back, and prepare to have your mind blown. Meet Sarah, a savvy online entrepreneur who stumbled upon a goldmine in the world of AI. She mastered the art of prompt engineering with ChatGPT-4, and her income skyrocketed. Want to know her secret sauce? Keep watching to uncover Sarah's winning strategies and learn how you can replicate her success. Before we dive into Sarah's secrets, let's quickly break down what prompt engineering with ChatGPT-4 is all about. ChatGPT-4 is a state-of-the-art AI language model that can generate human-like text. Prompt engineering, on the other hand, is the skill of crafting prompts that guide the AI to produce the desired output. Combining these two elements can lead to a world of money-making opportunities. 1. Content creation. Use your prompt engineering skills to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content for clients. Sell your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even start your own content agency. 2. Copywriting. Craft persuasive sales copy, email campaigns, and landing pages using ChatGPT-4 with expertly engineered prompts. You can create content that drives conversation and leads to a profitable copywriting career. 3. Custom chatbots. Develop AI-powered chatbots for businesses using ChatGPT-4 and your prompt engineering skills. Offer tailor-made solutions that cater to your clients' needs and charge a premium for your services. 4. AI-assisted tutoring. Use prompt engineering to create personalized learning materials for students. Offer tutoring services that leverage AI to enhance learning experiences and generate a steady income. 5. Marketing and advertising. Employ ChatGPT-4 to generate and copy social media posts and marketing materials for businesses. Use your prompt engineering skills to create targeted, engaging content that drives results. To maximize your earnings with prompt engineering and ChatGPT-4, keep these essential tips in mind. A. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice prompt engineering, the better you'll become at generating the desired output. Invest time in mastering this skill to increase the value of your services. B. Stay updated. Keep an eye on advancements in AI technology and prompt engineering techniques. Staying informed will help you stay ahead of the competition. C. Diversify. Offer a variety of services that will utilize prompt engineering and ChatGPT-4. Diversifying your offerings will attract more clients and increase your income potential. D. Network. Connect with other AI enthusiasts and professionals, share ideas, collaborate on projects, and grow your online presence. Now, it's your time to take action. And check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.